Now, children, let's start today with the Act 2, Scene 1. The Scene 1 takes place as Belmont again, a room in Portia's house. Flourish of cornets. Cornets is the sound of a trumpet's musical instrument. Enter the Prince of Morocco and his train. The Prince of Morocco. Morocco is a country, and his train means attendant, his servants. He comes to choose the Portia. Nerissa and other of her attendants were present. Morocco, the Prince of Morocco. He starts his speech, mislike me not for my complexion. He asks to Portia that do not dislike me just because of my dark complexion or dark color. The shadows livery of the burnished sun. This is just because of the exposed to the suns, because the Morocco country that is just near to the equatorial countries, so there the too much hot is there, the too much hot and humid climate is there. So just because of the sun heat, he has just become the black. To whom I am a neighbor and near bred. He says that I am the neighbor and I am the close relative of the sun, because we live in the hot climate. That's why my complexion is dark. Bring me the fairest creature, northward born, where Phoebe's fire scarce thaws the icicles. Here he says, if you can just bring any of the fairest creature, any of the white person, fair person, from who has just born, where Phoebe's fire scarce thaws the icicles. From those places where the sunlight, Phoebus is the sun, where the sun rays are not present, and there only rarely the sun rays goes there, and there too much icicles means the too much ice is there, and it is rarely just goes melt down just because of the sun. So here you just see, in the cold places people are just fair, in the hot places people becomes black just because of the sun heat. So he is saying, if you just bring that the fair creature, those who are just living in the ice places or the cold places, and let us make in season for your love. And if you just ask, in season means to cut in our body for your love, to prove whose blood is reddest. So I can just prove you if you will just cut the fair person's, fair man's body, or if you just cut mine one, so you will just find my blood would be the reddest one, because earlier it was believed that the whoever is just having the much red blood, they are just considered as the bravest person. So he is saying, my blood would be the reddest one than them, his or mine. My blood will be the reddest one. I tell the lady, this aspect of mine hath feared the valiant by my love, I swear. He says, I swear that my lady, this is my quality, I hath feared the valiant. Valiant means brave. Brave person also have fear of me, because I am the bravest one. The best regarded virgins of our clime, the best regarded virgins, the best regarded ladies of my clime means my land have loved it too. They also loved my bravery. I would not change this hue. I cannot just change this my hue, my this black color, except to steal your thoughts, my gentle queen. Only I can just change your mind, only I can just win you, but I cannot just change my color. Portia. In terms of choice, I am not solely led by nice direction of a maiden's eyes, besides the lottery of my destiny. She says, in terms of choice, this is not my choice. I am not solely led. I cannot lonely choice you. I cannot just select you by nice direction of a maiden's eyes. I cannot just choose you, select you by the maiden's eye, by the ladies, women's eye, those who think that the brave men are the good one. So I cannot choose you, because the lottery of my destiny is dependent on my lottery system, bars me the right of voluntary choosing. These are all things are just putting me bars. These are all the bars or the hindrance that are just putting me behind to choose the voluntarily means with my choice. I cannot choose you. But if my father had not scanted me, my father has just put this condition, he has just put me scanted that I cannot choose alone, and hedged me by his wit to yield myself. He has just used his wisdom, that's why I cannot just choose you. His wife who wins me by that means I told you. I told you the method. How can you just choose me? How can I be other person's wife? By the selection of the casket. Your self-renowned prince then stood as fair as any comer I have looked on yet for my affection. And she says, just I have told you, if not famous prince, you would have had a fair chance as any other suitor I have seen so far. She says that like other suitors, you can also just come and choose me, and there is no partiality. Morocco. The Prince of Morocco says, even for that I thank you, therefore I pray you lead me to the casket. He says, I thank you for this. Now you just lead me near to the casket, near to the box where the lottery system is just there, so that I just choose the correct box so that I can win you. To try my fortune by this scimitar. So he says, I just try my fortune, my luck by this scimitar that slew that Sophie and a Persian prince. And he says, by this scimitar means sword. I have just cut down the Sophie and the Persian prince. I have just cut the Sophies and the Persian prince that won 3 fields of Sultan Solomon. The Persian prince, who was also so much bravest one, those who have just won the 3 battles with the Sultan of Solomon. Solomon is the place belongs to the Turkey. The prince of the Turkey who has just won the 3 battles as well, I have just slew him. I have just cut him also. So I am that much strong. I would outstare the sternest eyes that look. I can just move those eyes also. Those who are the fairest one eyes, they can also just turn their eyes just because of my bravery. Outbrave the heart, most daring on the earth. So I would defiantly look into the most fierce eyes also. Those who are the fearful eyes means I can just look into those eyes also. On the earth, whoever is the bravest one, the Sultan of the Turkey, I have just hit him also. I have just cut him also. Pluck the young sucking cubs from the she-bear, yeah, mock the lion when he rose for prey. And you can see I can just take out the cub of the bear also from the she-bear, and I can just give a open challenge to the roaring lion also. The lion who is just searching for his prey, I can just give a challenge to the lion also to win the lady. But alas the while, if Hercules and Lichas play at dice, which is the better man? And I can just say it is just all becomes the fortune if the Hercules, the strongest person, and his servant Lichas, if they will just play a game of the dice, it depends on their fortune that who will be the better man. If the dice is there in the fortune of the Lichas in the servants, then servant can win and you over the Hercules, whoever is the strongest person. The greatest throw may turn by fortune from the weaker hand. So this way the fortune may be in the favor of the weaker hand than the greater person. So is Alcides beaten by his page, and so may I blind fortune leading me miss that which one unworthier may attain and die with grieving. And he says, alas, if the great Hercules and his servant, they can just play this fortune game and the servant can win in the same way by chance from the hand of the weaker man. From the weaker man you can be there. In this way Hercules may be defeated by his servant. So if I have only blind chance to win you, I may miss that which one less worthy may win. So the person who is not worthy, the person can win you. In that case I should die of sorrow. Portia. You must take your chance and either not attempt to choose at all or swear before you choose. If you choose wrong, never to speak to lady afterward in way of marriage, therefore be advised. Portia advised him that you must take your chance, but in fact either you should not attempt to choose the casket or swear before choosing, that if you make the wrong choice. So she advised you should not choose the casket, because if you will choose the wrong casket, then again you will not going to sue any other lady. So on the subject of marriage, so you just think it carefully before you choose. If you choose the wrong box, So you will not just go for any other lady to choose. Morocco, nor will not come along bring me unto my chance. Morocco, the prince of Morocco, he says no. I will choose you, I will choose the casket, you just take me near to the casket. Portia, first forward to the temple, after dinner your hazard shall be made. Portia says, first let's go to temple, and after dinner your difficult choice will be made. Morocco, good fortune then. He says, may I have the good fortune to make me blessed or cursed among them. Please God, the choice will make me the most happy or the most cursed among the all men. Cornets and accent, and the trumpets start sounding, and they just went. Here we have finished the act 2 scene 1.